Okay, so for this example naman, ang gagawin natin is magde-declare tayo ng data type na int at ang variable niya ay age. So, again, no, yung data type is, which is yung int, ito yung magde-decide kung anong klaseng value yung gagamitin. And in this case, pag sinabi mong int, integer po yun, so number siya. So, ang variable or yung container natin will be yung age at ang value ng age na yon will be 20. Then, ang gagawin lang natin is mag-declare lang tayo na cout and sasabihin natin na my age is, then sabihin natin or tawagin natin yung variable natin na age, and then mag-end line tayo dito or mag-add tayo ng new line, which is yung end line nga. Yun yung meaning niya. Then, we will return it to 0. Then, run the program. Save muna natin. Example. Okay, and then save. Then, run yung program natin. At you can see, ang sabi dito, no match for operand na greater than. No, so mali yung operand natin dito. So again guys, when using yung cout, gagamit lang po tayo ng less than operator. So papalitan lang natin siya ng less than operator and then run natin yung program. Then as you can see, yung age, my age is 20. So yan yung example of printing naman when it comes sa data type natin na integer.